We're in San Salvador, the capital of El Salvador in Central America. And we're just got here. We're going to the grocery store. Our apartment is cute. We like our apartment. And it's a cute little neighborhood.
This is my first time seeing this kind of fruit. Do you know what is that? Let us know. And this is the tree here.
We're in America, just not north. Starbucks, Pizza Hut, El Salvador, capital, San Salvador. Looking at garlic. It's weird seeing everything in dollars. $3.16 for garlic. Chunks Pizza has arrived. Now we're waiting for mine. Just kidding. This is for both of us. Are you kidding? Wow. This is the number 9 pizza parlor in Latin America and 52 in the world or something, or 63 in the world.
I can't remember.
Yeah, it's very high. Let's see. Here's Old Navy. You can never find the new Navy. It's just they have these old ones everywhere. New Balance, tennis shoes, kicks. They must sell everything. Anyway, this is a four-story mall. Security guards giving us the red carpet walk to the place. Nothing wrong with that. Michael Kors. Oh, there it is over there. Gracias, senor. Gracias. Looks pretty high-end to me. My breakfast is $5.50. Includes the orange juice, the tortilla, and chunks is $5.25. And there's something they're bringing her later that they were out of. So I don't know what it is. She's having her first bite of a El Salvador tamale.
Tamale con queso.
With cheese. And that's where we ate. They were in a food court here in the mall. Hallelujah.
So this is my pupusa with cheese. This look good, fresh made. I don't know what is this, but it tastes very good. Something with queso. That is a Dan one. You like it?
Really nice. That was a delicious breakfast. We spent $3.50 at the beach for the same thing, which was also delicious. Here was $5.50, but we're in the city in a mall, so life on earth, huh? So that's Bamboo City Center. It's the mall where we just had breakfast. And that's across the street, a hotel there, and there's some apartments in the background you can see. It's a nice area. And let's walk around here a little bit and see what it looks like. There's a roundabout here. And we're gonna go around the roundabout and continue.
Another coffee shop maybe? A restaurant, beer station.
Via Colonia. This is Upper End area, as you can tell. Nice restaurants and little boutique shops, restaurants. It's an Asian restaurant over there, as I'm sure you can tell. Starbucks on my left.
Restaurant around here.
Yeah,
Like clubhouse and those things.
yeah, a lot of restaurants. Mexican restaurant. It's a very international friendly area, San Benito. Let's cut in here and show you one of the neighborhoods here. It's a beer place.
Greenhouse and have vegetarian food over there.
Oh, nice.
At first I want to rent in this neighborhood here, just around it here.
Yeah, it's a nice neighborhood. The beautiful colonial era building there. Cheng's over on the shaded side. She's not a big fan of being in the sun. That beautiful workmanship though. So nice. There's a hula mercado over there where we just had lunch. Cheng's eating at this food court in the market downtown. Breakfast is ended, so now it's lunch. She picked chow mein and this beef dish over here. So, chow mein?
Not too bad.
Not too bad? Is that chicken or it looks like beef maybe?
Fish.
Oh, fish, okay. So, she has a slice of fish there too. So how much was it?
$4.85.
$4.85, and they're using dollars here, so that's dollars. So this is a yogurt and ice cream place, and I'm having a chocolate. I'm having this guy. $2.65. Lunch. This is a Starbucks here, believe it or not. And why not throw in McDonald's while you're at it? That market has all kinds of clothes and shoes, but it didn't have a hat. I'm looking for a hat. This is Plaza Universitaria. Very cool. Wow, look at this beautiful plaza in front of the church. It's gorgeous. And it's across from the palace, the National Palace here. Oh, it's pretty impressive. Center of the city. Just give you a 360 here, in case you're in the mood for that. It's a beautiful, well done plaza here.
this is our San Salvador apartment. This is my handsome boyfriend, Dan, from Vagabond Awake.
Our kingdom.
Yes, it's a beautiful place here, like a small living room. It's a small apartment, but it's nice. And this is a kitchen area, fully furnished. And they have washing machine. This is cabinet here. Oven, microwave, very nice. And going in is our bed here. We have AC here. We have a small patios outside here that we can sit down. And this is our bathroom here. Very clean and very nice. Do you like this apartment?
I do. It looks like we're staying at Grandma's apartment in her basement or something like that. Or, or a converted garage. It's very cute. This is 𝒕𝒂𝒂 breakfast. And there's our choices. $4, $3.50, $3.75. Here's our 𝒕𝒂𝒂 breakfast. Includes the bread and the coffee for $4. Yeah. And this is just right near our house. We're having our Saturday morning breakfast.